Alright guys, this lesson, 4.4, is on estimating decimals. You'll be able to estimate the sum of the multiple decimals. So you're going to have a few decimals, you'll estimate them to the whole number, and then add them up and get a total. So keywords for today, estimate. You don't need to write this down because you should know what this word is, but just to kind of refresh your memory, estimate means to round or make an educated guess. In our case, we're probably going to round to the nearest whole number, and then so that it's easier for us to do it like a really quick, solve a really quick addition problem. So let's start with a word problem first. So on Monday, Carly swam 1.23 miles, and on Tuesday she swam 1.89 miles. Estimate how many miles. I was supposed to say how many miles she swam on both days combined. Okay, so we know we have 1.2 miles and we have 1.89 miles, and it wants us to combine them. So let's take 1.23 and 1.89, and we want to round to the nearest whole number. So in order to round to the nearest whole number, we're going to look at our 10th digit, and if it's 5 or higher, we're going to round our whole number up. So for example, for 1.89, the 8 is bigger than 5, so our whole number for that problem is going to be 2, because it's closer to the 2. Let's look at our 1.23, and 2 is definitely below 5, so this 1.23 will stay as 1, and then we'll add them up, and our estimate is 3 miles. Don't forget your units for this. If it asks you for units, don't forget them, okay? So 3 miles is what she swam. Let's do another one. Cameron went to the candy store and brought a Twix for $1.75, a pack of gum for $3.99, and a bag of M&Ms for $2.33. Estimate how much money Cameron spent at the candy store. Alright, so I'm going to go through my word problem. I'm going to underline my amounts so that I know what I'm working with. And I'm also going to, we want to know how much he spent, how much money he spent at the store. So I'm going to have to add all of it up. So $1.75, $3.99, and $2.33. Alright, let's remember we're looking at our 10th place for this. So 7 is bigger than 5, so our $1.75 we can estimate to $2. And our $3.99 we can estimate to $4. And then our 3 in $2.33 is smaller than 5, so our $2.33 we can estimate to $2. I'm going to add those up, so 2, 4, and 4 is 8. And he would need 8, and then you put the dollar sign. We estimate that he needs about $8. Now, you may also get problems where it's not in a story problem format. It's just a number sentence. And you still have to estimate. So you're going to do the same thing. So we're always going to look at our 10th place to determine what our whole number should be rounded to. All right, so we have 33.4. If we look at our 4, we can round that down because it's smaller than 5, so it's going to be 33. And then if we look at our 31.35, alright, our 3 is also smaller than 5, so we can keep that at 31. And then we'll add them up, and you get 64. Alright, you've completed today's lesson. There is an exit ticket for you to do on Google Forms, so go back to Google Classroom and complete the exit ticket. And then you are done with the lesson, and you can go on Math Playground for today. So after you finish with your exit ticket, it's really important, make sure you do that, then you can go on Math Playground. Alright, just make sure you fill that exit ticket out.